Namaste everyone. Today I am going to show you how to send email. First of all, you have to open your browser, right? Then you have to log in. When you log in, you'll see your account here and your Gmail, right? Once you are logged in, you have to click on compose. Okay. Then this kind of box pop-ups. Here you have to write the email address like I'm going to write, right? Yes, this is the saved email. That's where it came. If you don't know, then you have to type it full cbs 2036 at gmail.com. Oh, I have done mistake. So gmail.com. Then you have to write the subject. Then if you have any message, so this is my message. Okay, just for demonstration. If you have to attach, then there are the attachment options, right? You can go and attach it. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the font, here is the option. You can change the size of the font as well. You can make it bold, italic, underline. Okay, you can change the color of the font, right? This is highlighting. Similarly, there is alignment option, center alignment, left alignment. Similarly, if you have to enter the number list also, you have here. Okay, like this, you can enter. I'm going to do undo. For undo, you have the shortcut key Control Z. There are more options. You can try it out by yourself. Similarly, if you have to enter any link, suppose you have to enter a YouTube link, okay, you can go here and enter some message. Check it out, right? Then you can paste the link. For that, I'm going to open YouTube, right? So YouTube is here. Now suppose you want to open a link. And you want to attach this. Friends, then you can go to share option, copy the link, then go to this option, link option, and you can type message and paste it and click apply, right? Then it will be shown in this way, right? If you don't want, don't do it. If you want to send the link, then you can do it. And if you want to send some emojis, here are the options. You can insert, okay, by clicking. I'm not going to insert it right now. If you have some files in the drive, you have to log into your drive and you can access those files, okay, and you can attach that as well. Similarly, the picture you can attach, this picture option is here. You can attach the pictures. Suppose this I want to attach, then click on insert by selecting that. It will be loading as per the speed of your internet and it will be attached. Right now I'm deleting it. I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to attach the file. So that I will go for the file, download, and it will be uploaded like this. Then you can click on send and it will be sent to your destined email address. And if you want to check it, okay, you can go to the options here, send message, and you can see the message has been sent. Thank you.